States of matter. States of matter. Matter exists in three states. These states are solid, liquid, and gas. The states are solid, liquid, and gas. And matter can be changed from one form to another. Means from one state to another state, matter can be changed. And these states are only due to the arrangement of particles, or we can say molecules, in the three states. Okay, so because the arrangement of the particles or molecules in the three states is different, so these three states exist. You can see in the pic the arrangement of particles in the solid, in the liquid, in the gas state is shown. In the solid, the particles are closely packed. There is no space in between the particles. In the liquids, particles are loosely arranged, or in the gaseous state, they are freely arranged. Solid. The molecules of the solids are closely packed without any space between them. In the previous slide, you have seen the arrangement of molecules in the solid state. They are closely packed. There is no space in between the molecules. And the force of attraction is very strong. And this force of attraction bind these molecules together. And because of that, this gives a definite volume and shape to solid. Children, solids have this peculiar property, means they have definite volume and definite shape. Liquid. Children's, in the previous pic, you have seen the arrangement of particles or molecules in the liquid state. So they are not closely packed as solid. There is some space between the molecules or particles. And force of attraction between the molecules, this is also not very strong. So thus this gives it a definite volume. Liquids have definite volume but does not give a definite shape. Volume means space occupied. Okay, so liquid occupy definite space but they does not have definite shape. And they have one more property, they can flow from one direction to another. So it changes shape according to the container in which it is poured. If we are having liquid in a bottle, it looks like bottle. If we are having a liquid in a glass, it looks like glass. If we are having liquid in a bowl, then it looks like bowl. So liquid don't have any definite shape, but they have definite volume. Definite volume you can check if you are having one glass of water. Okay, and after pouring it into 2-3 containers and then again pour back in the same glass from where you have started, then its volume is remain the same. It is remain one glass of water. Gases. Molecules in the gases are very loosely packed and they having large spaces between the molecules. Molecules are very loosely packed. In between them, large spaces are present, and the force of attraction between the molecules, these are very weak. Children, imagine this situation when you are in a recess. When in a recess, every child is free to move in any place, and force of attraction means teacher's force is also very less. So in gases the particles, so they are very loosely arranged, and the force of attraction, this is also very weak. So they don't have definite volume and definite shape, means they neither have definite shape and nor definite volume. Example, air is the mixture of gases. Air contains many gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water vapors, and many more. Okay.